There are several natural alternatives to using an alarm clock to wake up in the morning. These methods focus on aligning with your body's natural rhythms and using environmental cues to help you wake up more naturally and feel more refreshed. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Consistent sleep schedule. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps synchronize your circadian rhythm. This consistency can make it easier to wake up naturally without the need for an alarm clock. 2. Exposure to natural light. Natural light is a powerful signal for your body to wake up. Opening your curtains to let in sunlight or spending time outside in the morning can help reset your internal clock. If natural sunlight is not available, using a daylight lamp can be a good alternative. 3. Hydration. Drinking a large glass of water as soon as you wake up can help you feel more alert. Staying hydrated throughout the day also supports overall energy levels. 4. Physical activity. Engaging in light physical activity, such as stretching, a morning walk, or simple exercises, can increase your heart rate and help you feel more awake. Movement releases hormones that improve mood and alertness. 5. Cold exposure. Splashing cold water on your face or taking a cold shower can provide a quick boost of energy by increasing your heart rate and stimulating adrenaline production. 6. Healthy breakfast. Eating a nutritious breakfast with slow-release energy foods like oats, eggs, nuts, and fruit can help maintain steady energy levels throughout the morning. 7. Avoiding the snooze button. Resisting the urge to hit the snooze button can prevent sleep inertia, which is the groggy feeling that can last for hours after waking up. Setting your alarm across the room can help you get out of bed immediately. 8. Mental stimulation. Engaging in a brief mental activity, such as reading, doing a crossword puzzle, or meditating, can help wake up your mind and prepare you for the day ahead. 9. Peppermint. Using peppermint oil, tea, or gum can have rejuvenating and energizing effects, helping to kickstart your memory and speed up your thought process. 10. Making your bed. Making your bed as soon as you get up can signal to your brain that it's time to start the day, reducing the temptation to crawl back under the covers. By incorporating these natural methods into your routine, you can improve your ability to wake up without relying on an alarm clock, leading to a more pleasant and energized start to your day.